Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my first consignment of 2025 iPhone straight from China. This shipment includes iPhone XR and iPhone 11, the two popular models and the best-selling iPhones on my list. A big thanks to my trusted supplier for consistently delivering quality products, and to my freight forwarder XR Shipping for ensuring a smooth and timely service. Let's get started. As you can see, the packaging is secure and intact, just the way I like it. My freight forwarder always ensures the items arrive safely, which makes a huge difference. Alright, let's open up this package and see if my supplier got the order right. I'm really hoping everything is as expected, because attention to detail is everything in this business. Let's find out together. Fingers crossed. Here they are, carefully wrapped to avoid any damage. Let's check out the first model. This is an iPhone XR. The iPhone XR is still a popular choice with its liquid retina display and excellent performance. Look at this beautiful color. The condition is pristine as always, thanks to my supplier's attention to detail. So here we have the iPhone XR 64GB in blue. We are not opening this today though, stay tuned because we'll be opening the iPhone 11. Now onto the iPhone 11. This one's a powerhouse with its dual camera system and amazing battery life. The color options are always a hit with my customers, and these are absolutely perfect. So now we have the boxed iPhone 11 128GB on a closer look. The color is purple and absolutely gorgeous. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. And here it is, the iPhone 11 in purple. The finish is sleek and the color looks even better in person. Inside the box we have the Apple paperwork, the charger head is also included, the earphones, they are also included, and the power cable is also included. It's always exciting to see the essentials included in the box. Everything you need is right here. No missing pieces. Another reason why I stick with this supplier. I have to say my supplier is truly for keeps. They have been reliable for every order, ensuring the products are genuine and delivered exactly as promised. If you are in this business, finding a supplier like this is a game changer. And a big thanks to my freight forwarder for their efficient handling of logistics. Shipping from China can be very tricky, but they have always ensured my goods arrive on time and in great condition. This shipment is such an exciting start to the year. iPhone XR and iPhone 11 both ready to meet customer demand. A huge thanks again to my amazing supplier and freight forwarder for making this all possible. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like and comment below with any questions about importing all these iPhones. Stay tuned for more unboxing and tips.